Thank you for being with us today. It's a pleasure having you. 6 weeks of highs for the oil markets. Do you expect more?
Yes, like we spoke last time also, I do expect oil to hit the 90 level barrier. At the same time, the 100 level barrier is very difficult to break, and I don't think it will be broken this year. But yes, we do expect a higher moment coming in for oil, at least for the time being.
Aren't you afraid from the economic data worldwide, especially in the manufacturing sector in China, in the Eurozone, and the Chinese procedures, how they will be to support the economy? Aren't you afraid that they will impact the oil prices?
Well, there are two major reasons why demand has been reducing. One has been the Chinese side of the story. The second has been the inflation side of story. As the inflation is now coming off in Europe and US, the inventories are right now reducing quite a lot. So demand is will start surging on that side. On the Chinese side also there has been a decent recovery, and we can expect the demand to be starting to surge from the end of October from China as well.
If you would like to expect, can we have a supply deficit until the end of the year? Do you still see that, or if it will happen, how much?
We have seen that Saudi did extend the oil cuts by 500,000 barrels. There's an expectation that OPEC Plus will also follow suit in the similar direction. So, being on the supply deficit side is something which is most likely the scenario for oil by the end of this year.
Uh, Saudi Arabia are ready to intervene and swiftly in the market. How they will limit the speculation in the market, especially we have seen short sellers pressuring the prices.
Short sellers have always been problematic for the markets, but it is not new. Saudi Arabia or the OPEC Plus will not be reacting to just the short sellers. The bigger problem is the demand side. If the demand side is actually solved, then the short sellers will not be driving the price any further.
What's your expectations for gold? Do you expect $2,000 for gold?
We do believe that gold is in a range pretty much between the 1920 and the 1980 range. If the range is broken, we actually can see 2060 once again on gold this year. It does look highly probable because the interest rates, however, not stopping, and every other central bank is saying that interest rates will remain higher for a long time. There are bearish reasons for the market as well as for gold. If there is any reaction on the equities market, which is looking like it is pretty much on time to be coming now very soon, that will push gold on the higher side, and that is when we can see gold actually touching the 2000 barrier.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vijay, for being with us today.
Thank you so much.